Welcome to Susie's Passion. Friends, let's make some delicious Pav Bhaji. In this video, I am showing you how to make Pav Bhaji in my own style in a very simple and quick way. I am cooking this in an instant pot. I am using half cup peas, 1 tomato, 2 potatoes, half a cauliflower and half a cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and cook it in your instant pot for about 1 minute. In a large pan, take 2 tablespoons of butter, heat it till it melts. Now add a tablespoon of cummin seeds and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for some time till it is slightly brown. After it has become little brown, you can add half a cup of chopped onions. Saute this again till it becomes brown. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi at this point. Add 1 chopped tomato and saute it till the tomato becomes soft. I'm using a red bell pepper so that it adds some more color to your Pav Bhaji. Add the chopped bell pepper to the onion and saute it for some time. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Saute it well. Now add 1/4 cup of water so that the masalas all get mixed together. Wait till the oil comes out. Here I have now cooked all the vegetables in the instant pot. Mash them all together nicely. To get a nice red color, add Kashmiri chili powder. At this point, you can add the mashed vegetables and mix them all together. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of Pav Bhaji masala. Now you can add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add some butter, the amount you require. You can add some water now and dilute it as per your consistency. Add some more salt if required. Your Pav Bhaji is ready to be served now. Serve it with some hot pav toasted in butter. Hope you liked this very simple recipe.